All right. Well, 5.8 plus. I don't know how to call this. Is it Bitch Mobile or Bitch Mobile? It's like a cell phone company or a card. I don't know, whatever.
It's a locomotive.
Ooh. Oh boy, that's an action piece right there. It's probably not going to fall out, but it moves, you know. It's probably jammed in there. Staying on the action piece and get something in. It's hard to get your left foot over there. Pretty movie. Some moves to do. Liberta. All right. The bottom was kind of tough. Does it open up back there? I think it might, but I think this is fine. We got this to stand up on if we want, I think. Man, climbing in like 80-degree, it's like mid to high 80s right now. But it's the humidity, man. It's the humidity that gets ya. Higher. Yeah, that's pretty cool. If it doesn't walk. Little pebble, tiny pebble. Yeah, I mean, it looks okay. See if we can make it any better. Cool. Okay. Let me get another tiny little guy in there. I think this is the crux. I have a small amount of poopy pants right now. Oop. Pebble. Cool. You know, I can get that. This is thought-provoking. Pretty good climbing. Okay. Mantle stem. Some more knee beta. That was cool. That was super fun. Ooh, you know what goes there? That's why I bring 2 of these. 2.3, baby. All right. Now, how do we mantle up this? Cool. Cool. That was a good sequence. That was so rad. Glad I had that piece in though. Spooked would be an overstatement. But that was a good piece. I'm gonna do one more because I can. If I can over one on me, let's see where I can go over there. Let's do this. Yeah, I gotta fix that. This is super dangerous. This gate that won't shut. Always pay attention to that. I have to replace that. Okay. One more mantle. This route was really good. I guess I can wait to comment on that when I finish, but oh yeah, this is super challenging, beta. Valerie, are you doing this?